luxury living in southwest of Las Vegas, where million-dollar homes meet model design, mountain views, and the lifestyle you have been dreaming of. Hi everyone, Sawadika. Welcome to my channel. This is Sai Brown, your real estate go-to expert. Today, I'm giving you an exclusive tour of a stunning million-dollar home site by Richmond American Homes right here in the southwest of Las Vegas. If you have been wondering what high-end new construction looks like in this part of town, stay tuned. You are going to love this tour.
Welcome to El Dorado Valley, Richmond American Homes flagship models here, part of the Aspire collection. In this community, we have 12 total home sites, 10 of which we're building on right now, and we already have 7 sold, and I'm working on number 8 as of this morning. So, moving very, very quickly due to the outstanding features. What you are seeing in this home, 99% of this is to the standard at which we're building. We do have a conditioned wine room that is an upgrade. We did have 2 home sites that we did include on there. The only other things that we had a little bit of fun with were the custom closets. But everything else that you're seeing, the beautiful quartz with the waterfall edge, full dual veneer, kitchen craft, solid wood door cabinets, soft close, dovetail, all of that is a standard feature here. Your beautiful monogram gourmet kitchen package. This is exactly how these homes are being built. This is the Rocco at 3,470 square feet. Always a 4-bedroom with a dedicated study. You also have the dueling walk-in closets in the primary, which is really, really nice. All of our homes here are featured on half-acre or better home sites, which is, of course, a tremendous draw to be having a home of this size on this type of lot. We're starting in the 1-3s, and like I said, moving very quickly. 4 phases total. Phase 2 is right behind us. That's going to be 18 home sites. Phases 3 and 4 are on the north side of Warm Springs. So 49 home sites total in El Dorado Valley, and all luxury product, much like you are in right now. So, any questions? Yes, $149 a month.
What's the
So we don't do a additional override in our price here, and I can, if anybody wants to take a picture of this, our price sheets, everything is baked into the equation, but they're anywhere from $28,000 to $60,000. But like I said, that is included in the price. We don't go above and beyond. We price everything in.
We can do a 5-bedroom configuration, and the space right now that's the game room turns into a next-gen modern living casita. So that's one of the options. The other option is we've got 2 guest bedrooms in the back, and that can turn into a dual master. So we're seeing a lot of multi-generational living right now. It can be a pretty unique setup with the guest suite and the dual master for that right sort of clientele or buyer. Right now, Richmond's kind of focused on this luxury stuff. So I'm not sure what you guys have seen so far, but we've got about 5 communities that are basically this kind of pack of 4 plans. Robert, Rocco, and a brand new one that'll be coming soon. I think this will be the first community with it, the Rowan, and that one will be 3,700 square feet. What else? We'll have about 25 units coming within about a quarter of a mile. We've got about 4 different smaller clusters of homes, all, like I said, within about a quarter of a mile. We'll probably go to sales in the next, I would say, 6, maybe 12 weeks, something like that. Keys in hand, maybe as early spring, realistically, probably early summer. Someplace in that range for keys in hand. Pricing is still TBD, and I'm not sure if they're going to do all spec home. I'm guessing they'll do more traditional build to order, where your customer will buy the base home and then go into the design studio and then customize it themselves. So that's still TBD. Haven't decided definitely yet. Pricing, I'm guessing probably in the low 1.1s for base, and probably keys in hand for the top of the line one, maybe 1.7-ish, but still totally speculative.
We are starting construction of homes on our Darius plan 2830. We have our Powell plan 2600, and we have our Deacon floor plan, which is the RV garage and 2-car tandem, which is 390 square feet, so we have something for everyone. Our prices range from the high 8s to the low 9s. We have great special financing starting at 4.5, 30-year fixed. And then we also have flex funds as well if you want that. So we have something for everyone. Great pricing and great rates. Thank you.
Model here, you're looking at just shy of 4,000 square feet. All of our homes are going to be 3-car garages here. They're highly upgraded luxury homes. We've got pro kitchens, so all of our homes are going to have this 6-burner monogram stove. You're going to have the pot filler. You've got the large 72-inch refrigerators here. Soft close cabinetry everywhere. The color scheme that you see here, this is part of our curated collection. This is what's called Pebble Beach. So this is actually going into our spec homes that are down in the neighborhood. We range lot size. We've got, let's call this our standard size lot here, right around 6,900 square feet. We've got a couple of lots that go up into the 10,000 to 11,000 mark. So that's giving you about an 80-foot backyard in some of those homes. So everyone's gonna definitely be pool size for sure. A few other things you're gonna see here. This is their standard stair rail that we're gonna include here. All the can lighting that you see in the rooms, that's included in all of our homes here. We've got finished and insulated garages. We've got upgraded insulation throughout the home itself. You've got pre-wires for everything from security systems to cameras to the floodlights out back. You've got the speaker systems that are going to be in the home. So I don't want to say quite everything you see in here is what's going in there, but I would say about 99% of it is what's going to be in the actual homes down there. We're going to range from, my most affordable home right now is at $930, and then that goes up until the 1.1 range in there, okay? So you guys are going to
They're all 2-story.
Yes, sir, they're all 2-story, they're all 3-car garages. 5 bedrooms in the 2 smaller, which is the Dillon and Dayton. My larger floor plan, the Paxton, 4,300 square feet. You're looking at 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms. So there's actually 2 primary bathrooms off of the primary bedroom. So we kind of call it the husband and the wife's on this side, right? The wife's side is, we've got a big spa shower in there, it's beautiful. The other side is it's called a standard master bath, but still very nice. Any questions about anything, just kind of in general? I know you haven't had a chance to really look at the home yet, but.
What kind of amenity you have?
So as far as the community itself, it's just gonna be, it's 30 lots here. We have no, there's no parks or anything inside of here. It's not gonna be gated. This will be closed off on this side here. So the only entrance will be on the interior of the neighborhood. No SIDS, no lids here. HOA is $94. That's taking care of the interior streets and a couple of the common areas.
Take an exclusive tour of the stunning $1 million new home in southwest of Las Vegas. Built by Richmond American Homes. These luxury homes feature open floor plans, gourmet kitchens, spacious living area, and seamless indoor-outdoor spaces perfect for entertaining. Located in the growing southwest Las Vegas real estate market, this community offers the best of both worlds. Model design, convenient access to shopping, dining, and entertainment. Plus, quick connection to strip and major freeways. With beautiful desert landscapes and mountain views, Southwest Las Vegas is quickly becoming one of the most desirable areas for luxury living. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. Pros, number 1, luxury finishes and model layouts. 2, convenient southwest location near shopping, dining, and freeways. 3, strong appreciation and value in growing part of Las Vegas. Cons, number 1, HOA fees can be higher in luxury communities. 2, price point limited affordability. 3, new built, timeless may mean waiting for completion. Here is your takeaway, guys. Southwest Las Vegas is quickly becoming one of the most desirable areas for buyers who want model homes, easy access to the city, and touch-up luxury. If you would like more details, a private tour right here in Southwest of Las Vegas, reach out to me directly. I will help you find a perfect home in this community or another that may fit your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop the comment below. I really love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye for now. ลาก่อนค่ะ